Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the brick class register in Heartopia. So in this modular street event, there is a battle pass that in here you can get many rewards, many cool rewards. And from here you can create any special furniture for this event. And one of them is this brick class register. And to craft this furniture, first you must have the recipe. You can get the recipe after you reach battle pass level 50 like this. You can just unlock this recipe after you reach this level by collecting the festival points. And then after that, after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench, and then next just tap on craft, and then next just search for the recipe, this recipe brick class register. And then in here just complete all the materials. You need stone, and then rare timber, and then modular brick material pack. And then after that just adjust the amount that you want to craft, and then just tap on craft and tap on hold to continue, and then wait for a moment. And just like that, you successfully making the brick class register like this. It's so cool. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.